So, are the cost of things just kind of getting a little bit out of control, and you want to save money on things like your cleaning supplies or your dish detergent? You may have seen, I use Dawn Powerwash for quite a bit, but my bottle was running empty, and I had heard about these really cool recipes to make it yourself. So, I'm going to show you what I use to refill my Dawn Power Wash bottle. And now that I have tried it, I actually really like it. So I wanted to share this with you, and I hope it helps. Okay, so you're going to start with your empty Dawn Power Wash bottle. You can buy a spray bottle that sprays it out the same if you don't currently have one. Stores do have them. So you'll start with your empty bottle and collect your supplies. So you're also going to get some Dawn dish detergent. I really like using the Dawn Platinum. Make certain that you use the blue Dawn. It really does matter. And then you're also going to use alcohol, like a rubbing alcohol. You can get things that are purer than what I am using, and that is perfectly fine. And then if you have some distilled water on hand, that is beneficial to use as the third ingredient. So you'll unscrew the bottle. I went ahead and just filled right to about just above the Dawn letters with the distilled water. So it's right up there. So then you're going to go ahead and use 1 to 2 teaspoons full of the alcohol, and you'll put it right in the bottle. And then you're going to use 4 tablespoons of the Blue Dawn. And then go ahead and make sure that the lid is screwed on nice and tight, and give it a good shake. And then once it's all shaken up and all mixed together, go ahead and spray a little bit right in your sink so you can kind of test it out. So ounce per ounce, what I use to refill this bottle only cost me 57 cents. It's time to save some money, friends.